Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, to remove the air filter cover, there's these clips on the side right here. There's two right there. There's one in the front right here. Pull that clip, and there's also one on the other side, like that. Slide this cover up. The air filter is right here. We can just grab the front part of the air filter and slide it out, just like that. Take the air filter, just slide the back side in, and then push it down. Make sure it's locked in place. Take the cover, just slide it over. Once it's down, we can start clipping on the clips. And there you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.